Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to make LIC premium payment online using Paytm. Open the Paytm app on your mobile. After opening the Paytm app, the user interface looks like this. You can see the mobile prepaid, postpaid, electricity bill and so on. You need to click on more. It will open the bill payments. It will show the train tickets, bus tickets and so on. You need to scroll down. Under recharge and bill payment, you can see the LIC option. You need to click on LIC. Now it will automatically select the insurer, that is LIC of India. You need to enter the policy number now. After entering the policy number, you need to click on get premium. It will give you your policy details such as policy number, customer name, due date from to, and the total premium. You need to check these details carefully. After that, you need to click on proceed to pay. On this page, you have an option to enter the promo code if you have one. Otherwise, leave as it is and click on proceed to pay. On the payment gateway page, you have an option to make the bill payment using debit card, credit card, net banking or UPI. You can select any one of these methods and make the bill payment. I am going to pause this video and will get back to you once the payment is done. Once the payment is successful, you will get this message, insurance successful. That's it guys. In this way, you can make LIC policy premium payment online using Paytm. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies high.